Okay, so this is bird dog. So most people know the classic exercise of bird dog as well. Hands and knees. Setting your foundation right here. Opposite arm, opposite leg, extend. Okay? There should be no movement, no twisting, no rotation of the hips. Trunk, core, everything's in concrete, foundation. Then you move your arm and leg on top of that. I like to do a little bit different. I like to have the Pilates ball. Opposite leg starts out. Set our foundation. Pushing down into that ball. As soon as you add pressure with the upper extremity, you should feel your core have to kick on a little bit. If you have a weight, I like to do a lot of these too. You add a row with upper extremity. Same thing, legs out. You're strong, you're on, engaged.